Before we start this rant, to anyone who likes this game, I can handle your opinion as long as handles mine. Anyways, let's begin this rant. Love balls? What? No. More like Diamond King. Oh my god, this game sucks so very hard. Let me explain why I hate this game. 1. This game is such a very ultimate disgusting, gross, and pervert. 2. This game is a huge rip-off Brain Dots. Which is way better than this. 3. This game are looking at the emoji ball like the Emoji Movie. So yeah, I hope this game will be banned soon. I don't know who likes this game. And do you know who hate this game? Me, Futuristic Human, Lexi Hoshiko, Yovani Noodly, Rania, Laurasia, and other users. We hate this game. So screw Love Balls. I don't know who is going to be sucks. Anyways, Brain Dots is 1,000, million, billion, trillion, and quadrillion times better than Love Balls. End of rant.